Hi everyone, if you are doing SEO but not tracking the right metrics, you are basically flying blind. So here are the top 11 SEO metrics you must track inside in Google Analytics in 2026. So let we discuss step by step. Number 1, organic traffic. This tells how many visitors are coming from search engine. Number 2, bounce rate. Show how many users leave without attraction. If it's high, your content need improvement. Number 3, average session duration. The more time people spend, the better your content engagement. Number 4, pages per session reveal how well user explore your website. Number 5, goal conversion. Track action like form filling, download or purchase like. Number 6, new and returning visitor. Help measure loyalty and audience retention. Number 7, top landing pages. Show which page bring the most organic traffic. Number 8, exit pages. Identify where visitors usually leave your website. Number 9, site speed. Slow pages kill ranking. Track your load time of your website. Number 10, mobile traffic. Check how many visitors come from mobile to improve mobile experience. And last not a least, number 11, click through rate means CTR. See how many people click your site in Google search result. So track these metrics regularly because data driven SEO is equal to consistent growth. Follow me for more SEO and digital marketing insights and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.